This is what to watch on Wall Street for Friday, October 16th. Earnings keep rolling out. Let's see which companies are releasing their numbers. General Electric, Honeywell International, and SunTrust Banks are all coming out with their quarterly reports before the market opens. The one investors will be monitoring is General Electric. For the third quarter, analysts are calling for earnings of 26 cents a share on around $28.5 billion in revenue. Even though its top and bottom line are expected to drop year over year, GE has shown some positive progress. The conglomerate is working to shed its finance arm, GE Capital, and focus more on its core industrial business like power, aviation, and healthcare. Recently, the company sold an enormous chunk of its financial arm to Wells Fargo. This is worth about $32 billion, about two-thirds of its total assets it plans to sell. In other news, GE has been working to ease investor concerns about the slumping oil prices and its impact on the company's oil and gas business. Take a look at what else investors are watching for.
Nelson Peltz has recently taken a large stake in the company, and it's always interesting to follow the investments of a major activist, high-profile investor like Peltz, and it will be interesting to see how the company reacts to those demands and how they adjust their guidance moving forward.
Moving on to the economic calendar. We get the industrial production report at 9:15 in the morning. Numbers are expected to be weak, similar to September's decline. Then we get the job openings and labor turnover survey shortly after. At the same time, the consumer sentiment comes out. Last but not least, we end the day with the Treasury International Capital, which tracks the flow of Treasury securities, corporate bonds, equities in and out of the United States. For the latest financial news and updates from Wall Street, check back on TheStreet.com throughout the day. I'm U-Jin Lee in New York.